This example is known as an open differential. Open differentials are inexpensive, lightweight, and require little maintenance. However, the major disadvantage of an open differential is that the engine's power follows the path of least resistance. This means that, in cases where one wheel has less traction than the other wheel, the engine's power will go to the wheel with the least traction. A way to limit this loss of traction is to limit the amount of independence between the two axles. This can be accomplished via a number of mechanical, electronic, or hydraulic systems which are known as limited slip differentials, or LSDs. The benefit of a limited slip differential is that the amount of power sent to the wheel with the least traction is limited so that the wheel with the most traction receives continuous power in order to get the vehicle moving. The disadvantage of a limited slip differential is the amount of power that can be transmitted to the wheel with traction is also limited. The next type of differential is known as a locking differential. Locking differentials have mechanisms that can literally lock the two rear axles together when needed. With a locking differential, both axles receive equal power so that the wheel with the most traction will always have power. Locking differentials are often used for heavy-duty off-road or other low-traction situations. The disadvantage is that they have to be unlocked to allow differential wheel speeds during turning. If the axles are locked during turning, handling is negatively affected. An alternative to differential-based LSDs and locking differentials are brake-activated LSDs, such as Toyota's Auto LSD system. Brake-activated LSDs receives continuous system. Brake-activated LSDs use an open differential but selectively apply the brakes to the wheel with the least traction. This takes advantage of the path of least resistance to transfer power to the wheel that isn't having the brake applied. The Auto LSD system is designed primarily to improve traction at times when the vehicle is likely to get